Shares of Workday are on the move after that company just came out with its numbers. The workplace management software company saying fourth quarter sales coming in line with estimates. It beat on the bottom line. The outlook for subscription revenue left it room to miss the street's expectations. And Workday also announcing its intention to buy HiredScore, which is a company that uses AI to provide talent solutions. Right now, the shares are moving down by about 5.5%, but they've sort of been bouncing around a little bit here. That subscription revenue forecast I mentioned, the company's forecasting subscription revenue for the full year of $7.73 billion to $7.78 billion. $7.77 billion is what analysts have projected. In other words, if you look at the midpoint of that, it's below what analysts were anticipating, even as its revenue met last quarter and earnings beat estimates. But the subscription revenue seems to be a source of disappointment, Josh.
Yeah, this stock also, it had been such a rocket ship, Julie. It was up, I think around 10% already this year. It was up around 70% over the past 12 months heading into the print. Their bread and butter is still HCM, which is their cloud-based HR suite. They're also focused on kind of financial management applications. So it'll be interesting, kind of the puts and takes there, what they say on the call. You're right. The big number for them is always subscription revenue because that's the money they earn from the software they're selling. So it'll be interesting on the call how they explain some of what they're seeing looking ahead. It could be, there's so much uncertainty still around the macro, Julie. I wonder how perhaps when they're forecasting guiding too, they're just trying to be a bit more prudent here as well. But we'll see on the call.
Well, and it seems as though this is a reiteration of that forecast. So if there's disappointment, it's that they did not raise it, I suppose.
When the stock's up that much, expectations running hot for that print for sure.